This is a beautiful 1955 Ford Crown Victoria Skyliner, that is with the tinted transparent top. And I've videoed a car like this a couple times, but I think this is a different car. This is the CoralWht combination. Beautifully done. And the reason I figure this is a different car is that it has the shade in place. I think people found out very quickly that these tops emitted a lot of light and it got awfully hot in this car. So you can see that shade. It's a zippered affair there that covers the interior. So that moderated the heat. Fender skirts, wire wheel covers, just beautifully done. And of course the complemented interior, done very well. Car has Ford-O-Matic. I always liked those speedometers that had a clear opening to the front, letting in light. Helped in legibility. As you can see, it has the Continental spare with quite a bit of decoration, the Crown Victoria there. Ford-O-Matic. Very much a show car. Again, using my trusty phone. And of course, Ford had so many color combinations possible this year. It was like they had opened the door to people's imagination. And of course it has V8 under the hood. Very nice indeed.